In this video we're going to demonstrate how to measure for installation of a vitro glass shower enclosure from showerpower.co.uk. The area has to be prepared prior to measuring by having the shower tray in place and sealed to the waterproof wall covering beforehand. In order to accurately assess the position and the size of the glass enclosure, masking tape is applied to both the tray and the walls, and then marked out accordingly. The walls are marked with the correct uprights. The height of the enclosure is then decided upon. This one is to align with a particular grout line. The bottom edges of the shower enclosure are measured along the shower tray or the floor, and at this stage we check the levels and note the differences. This ensures that any discrepancies are compensated for in the glass manufacturing process, and this is repeated for the walls. The measurements are then input onto our own CAD system ready for glass manufacture. Previously we've taken measurements and had the glass manufactured to those dimensions. The components are all checked and the position of the enclosure and the wall brackets are marked. The wall bracket is secured to the wall and the rubber pads are inserted onto the floor to stop any glass coming into contact with any hard surfaces. The panel is then lifted into position and secured. At this point we're going to need to check the levels again on the panel to ensure that it is sitting vertically plumb before we move on to the second fixed panel. Once that panel is in situ, we are almost ready to hang the door, but in order to hang the door we want to protect the glass edge on the return panel, so we clip on one of the ceiling profiles. Then we hang the door to the hinges and tighten to secure in place. Door handle is then fitted. Make sure that the door moves freely through its area of operation and that the glass is in line with no steps from panel to panel, and the bottom door strip is then clipped into position. And finally seal the enclosure using a sanitary silicone suitable for your wall covering, and the silicone is then smoothed off for a smooth, neat finish. That is a vitro shower enclosure installed, ready to go.